Hello, my name is Greg Dixon from Happy Healthy Camper Life. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a little exercise. So if you're about to do something stressful or you're in the middle of your overworked, spent too much time on a computer, just feeling a little bit drained and anxious, here's a very quick exercise you can do in order to help. It's a little hand meditation. So it involves putting attention on your hand, and what you do is you use a finger, index finger, any finger you want really, and just slowly, as you bring your finger up, breathe in and then breathe out. And so I'll go through this hand and then the other hand, and then it's surprising how calming this can be and how refreshing. So here we go. Namaste.